was the day it all began. The day that we were sold to slavery. It was the day that we lost our rights as workers, people of Britain. You will just stand there, let these tycoons say and do what they please, so that we can work their mines, work their factories, work their wealth. I say no. We must stand together and say no, for this is the day that it's all changed. We're here together, a united cause, the workers of the world. For we are powerful together. They may have muskets, the King's Brigade over there, but we, all of us, have our spirits. Our children, our wives, they're all starving. At what cost? We come home with a few pennies to spare for them just to take it back again. Never, I said, for the rent? For what is it? And then we end up having nothing at all. No, I said, my comrades, together we're going to stop this, for we are going to begin the revolution. All right? For we cannot take any of this. We're British, all right? And we're taking this. I said, no, down with this totalitarianism, down with the tycoons. Who's with me? Brothers, sisters, children of Britain, who's with me?
Aye, aye.
And we shall walk together. Because we are hungry too. We're starving, nothing to eat. Day in, this is what we live for. This coal is what we give our lives for. I say, down with it. Throw down your coals. Throw down your chains. Today, we march on the King's Ben and we march for our freedom. All right, lads. Ready? You're here with me. Together we shall stand united. Together we'll do this, yeah? My brothers and sisters, let's go take down those tycoons. Wage agreed is wage paid. Wage agreed is wage paid. Wage agreed is wage paid.
Wage agreed is wage paid.
Come on, my comrades.
Wage agreed is wage paid.
Together.